Hello everybody, welcome back to another TAMCO Bite Size. Today we're going to talk about our color selectable exit sign. So what do we have here? It's an exit sign that again is trying to make life as convenient as possible for you. So sometimes you might be using a red exit sign, sometimes green, but you don't want to carry both on the van. Well, not a problem, we've got a solution for you. So this is our color selectable exit sign. It uses thermoplastics. It can be side, top or back mounted. And it's even single or double faced. But what's really nice about this unit that's different to most on the market is here you can see we've got a green exit sign, and if I quickly change this switch out, you can see I've now changed it to a red exit sign. So what we do is within the box you're going to get both the green and the red face plates, and then the LED board is both red and green at the same time. So you just switch and off you go. And that's all from us today. Thank you very much. We'll see you next time on TAMCO Bite Size.